Here we go. Sorry, no music. I'm being a little lazy side tonight. What's this? This is box 5. Yeah. God, you would think this tape wouldn't be as sticky as it is. Man, nothing big. Just all mediocre. Autographs, stickers, Dontrell Willis. Maybe the biggest card was the SPX winning combo. This is box 5. Lots of pretty base cards though. Love to hit something huge for you guys. Like, this is, I guess, was this one of the first years of the rookie cards? With the rookie logo? There's a, what's it called we just pulled in that pack? The Redemption. Prince Fielder jersey for the Brewers. Insert decoy, another decoy. Delman Young rookie card. Ooh, what is this? Mike Lau jersey, and it was official 2002 Florida Marlins from the All-Star. Kind of cool. Says what it's from. Headliners jersey. Did he work together? Jeff Francoeur jersey for the Braves. Zimmerman, Andrew Miller, Ryan Howard, and the last pack. Pudge Rodriguez jersey. And that was box 5. Yes, he does work for the Illinois State. I know that. He should walk in, walk up to him tomorrow and say, "Can I get your autograph, Mr. Scout?" How funny would that be? Moving on to box 6. Travis Hafner jersey. Decoy. Dontrell Willis jersey. Lots of Dontrell Willis in this product. That's awesome. Did he like, what are you talking about? Prince Fielder jersey. Division Artifacts. Base. Decoy. Carlos Zambrano autograph. Auto. I don't remember how he says it. Last pack in 6. Alright, let's go to box 7. This is box 7. Hopefully something huge. Yeah, everybody seeing these pictures of Leaf Memories? I think it's going to be product of the year. This is box 7. Lance Berkman, Sports Center swatches. Kind of cool. The Astros. Yes, it's the one with the 90 leaf. Leaf Memories. Ivan Rodriguez, another jersey for ya. Detroit Tigers. Decoy. Greg Maddux jersey. Old school. I'm going to the Padres. I thought I was going to the Cubs for a second. No, that is a Padre. Looks like a decoy. Randy Johnson jersey. Very cool. Oh, this is a 4-hit box? 5-hit box? Are we still gonna have an autograph? Maybe not. Or is this a decoy? A decoy. And that was box 7. Alright.